Welcome to another edition of Poppy's Plonkers. There's just one thing missing. Poppy!
Daddy!
Oh, what are you doing?
Try again!
Right, let's try again. Poppy! Oh, that's better. God, that was mad, wasn't it? That didn't work very well. Right, back by popular demand, we had some lovely comments about Poppy while we were away in Florida, didn't we? And someone requested you by special request. You've got a fan.
Magnificent.
You were very chuffed with the comment, weren't you? So we have got a superb plonker for you today, haven't we, Poppy? Can you reveal to everyone who is today's plonker?
Okay, so he is sitting right next to me, and his name is Daddy.
What?
Yeah, it's you.
That's not what we discussed.
Yes, it is.
Poppy? You said you would ignore that.
Well, this is why we're making a video today, because of you.
All right, well, we'll make one deal, okay? When you come to rate me, you can't rate me an absolute Rodney. Deal? I feel like that's going to go pretty well. Right, so should we show everyone the video?
Like to make your way around.
Thank you. It's new. Daddy's very happy about this.
Of course you are.
Right, so should we go? Ooh, did you say Tesco? Let's ignore Daddy did that.
A driving instructor. You should know what to do.
I should know. So as you can see, we went through the drive-through and someone managed to stall the car.
Managed.
When he came to a stop. And what did you say at the time?
You're a driving instructor. You should know best.
Should, you're absolutely right. I should. So what I did is I applied the handbrake. I left it in first gear. I brought the clutch up and the car stalled. And that was very embarrassing, Poppy, because you saw it, didn't you?
He's an L on top of his car.
And you said, I think I've found the next plonker. That's me. So I always think it's important to analyse why things happen, Poppy, and I've been analysing it. Now, I would like to set the scene. This is certainly not an excuse, but we'd just returned from Florida, hadn't we? And the next day we had to go up to Norwich to get some pet food for Betty the dog, didn't we? Who you were very pleased to see from the kennels. I was therefore pretty jet-lagged and I was pretty tired, wasn't I? And it's not an excuse, but it's certainly a contributing factor, would you not agree?
Maybe.
But there's one good thing that we can take it. So Daddy always teaches his learners. He has a really big habit himself. When I've stopped and I've decided I'm stopped for a little while, the first thing I do, Poppy Simpkins, is apply the handbrake. And then when I left it in gear and brought the car up, brought the clutch up, because I had the handbrake on, what didn't the car do?
Move.
Yes, Queen. It didn't move.
That was the guess, actually.
What? There was a car very close in front of us, wasn't there?
Mm-hmm.
If I hadn't applied the handbrake and I had stalled as I did, what could have happened? And that would have been very embarrassing, wouldn't it?
Because Daddy is an literal driving instructor. He should know best what to do.
I should know best. So that's the positive I take, is that because I'm in the habit of doing that, when I forgot to do that through jet lag, actually nothing bad happened apart from I've ended up on my daughter's very own programme, Poppy's Plonkers. I am the plonker.
I can't believe you're the plonker.
I know.
Normally make it about other people.
Usually other people are the plonkers, Poppy.
And today we have a man called Daddy.
Yeah.
Well, James to you, Daddy to me.
Yeah. It does go to show, Poppy, doesn't it? Everyone makes mistakes. Even driving instructors, absolutely.
But they probably cut it off.
Yeah, they probably don't show their mistakes, do they? I got no problem showing my mistakes.
We have to show our mistakes.
We do. So, Poppy, it is time for you to rate today's...
To do a headstand again?
No. It is time for you to rate today's plonker. Now, do remember that I have lots of embarrassing baby pictures about you that I might show on the screen if you decide to... But I think I've known you since the moment you were born, and I've nourished you and fed you lots of rice and tuna and cucumber. And remember that I am the hand that feeds you. So, on the plonker scale, 0 being not a plonkerish, and 4 being an absolute Rodney, where would you place your wonderful father?
Absolute Rodney.
I had a feeling that would happen, to be fair. Yeah, so I am an absolute Rodney. Fair enough, Poppy.
This day had to come.
This day had to come. That's been Poppy's Plonkers. I've had the misfortune to end up on Poppy's Plonkers.
We have to have a Poppy Plonkers with Daddy on it. Like, come on.
Well, I never thought it would happen, to be honest, but it has.
I never thought it would happen either.
Luckily, or unluckily for me, I had the eagle-eyed Poppy Simpkins next to me when it happened. Otherwise, I could have got away with that, couldn't I? Right, say goodbye, Poppy.
Bye. I must leave this place.